Do you want to understand and enjoy English without fear? You are in the right place. In this video, we will talk about simple tips, daily practices, and fun ways to learn English. You will hear real examples, easy sentences, and exciting ways to use English in your life. Every chapter is designed for you to learn, practice, and enjoy English, step by step without stress. Chapter 1, Your English, Your Journey. Learning English is your journey. You do not need to rush. Every step you take is important. Some days you speak well. Some days you forget words. That is okay. You are learning, and learning takes time. You listen to English every day. You hear new words, new sentences, new sounds. Sometimes you understand everything. Sometimes you understand only a little. Both are fine. Every moment teaches you something. When you speak, you might make mistakes. Yesterday, you said a sentence wrong. Today, you try again. Tomorrow, you will say it better. You learn from every mistake. You grow a little every day. Think about your goals. You want to speak confidently. You want to understand movies, songs, and stories. You want to talk with friends in English. Keep these goals in mind. They guide you. Remember, you do not need a perfect voice or perfect grammar. You just need practice. You just need courage. You just need patience. English has no limits. You can learn at your own speed. You can enjoy every word. Every conversation becomes a small victory. This is your journey, and it is special. Chapter 2, Breaking the Fear Wall. You often feel nervous when you speak English. You think, what if I make a mistake? You worry about grammar, pronunciation, or vocabulary. That fear stops you from speaking. But mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Yesterday, you tried to speak with a friend. You forgot a word, you felt embarrassed. Today, you try again. You use another word, you speak slowly. You understand a little more. Tomorrow, you will speak even better. Each step breaks your fear a little. You can practice alone too. You can read a sentence aloud. You can record your voice. You can listen and improve. You can watch English shows and repeat the words. Every small practice builds your confidence. Think about your favorite speaker. They also made mistakes in the beginning. They kept trying, they did not stop. You can do the same. Fear is a wall, but you can break it. When you speak without fear, your English becomes free. You feel happy. You feel confident. You start enjoying every conversation. Remember, mistakes are teachers, not enemies. Speak, laugh, try again, and you will grow. Chapter 3, English in your daily life. You do not need a classroom to learn English. You can learn everywhere. At home, in the kitchen, or while walking outside, English is all around you. Every object, every action, every sound can teach you new words. When you make tea, you can say, I am making tea. When you clean the room, you can say, I am cleaning the room. When you see a bird, you can say, the bird is flying. These small sentences make you think in English. Thinking in English helps you speak in English. Yesterday, you listened to a song in English. Today, you try to sing it. Tomorrow, you try to understand every word. Every day, small practice becomes a habit. Slowly, English becomes natural. You can also talk to your family and friends in English. At first, it may feel strange. You may forget words. You may make mistakes. That is normal. You learn from every conversation. When English becomes part of your daily life, it stops being difficult. It becomes simple, it becomes fun. You do not feel pressure, you speak freely. Remember, learning English in daily life has no limits. You can practice anytime, anywhere, and enjoy every moment. Chapter 4, Speak like you live it. Your voice is powerful. The way you speak English changes everything. Words are not just words. They carry your feelings, your energy, and your personality. Yesterday, you read a sentence silently. Today, read it aloud. Say, I can do this. Say it with confidence. Say it with excitement. Say it slowly. Say it happily. Every way feels different. Every way teaches you something new. When you speak, imagine you are telling a story. You can use your hands, you can smile. You can pause. Pauses make your words clear. Smiles make your words friendly. Your voice becomes lively. People enjoy listening. Practice small conversations every day. Talk about your morning, your favorite food, or a movie you watched. Yesterday, you might have felt shy. Today, speak a little more. Tomorrow, speak even more. Your voice grows as you practice. English is not about perfection. It is about expression. When you speak like you live it, English becomes natural. You enjoy every word. You connect with people, you feel confident. Remember, your voice is your tool. Speak, play with words, and make English your own. Every sentence becomes alive. Chapter 5, Your English, Your Superpower. Every word you learn is a small victory. Every sentence you speak is progress. Every mistake you correct is growth. You are building your superpower step by step. Yesterday, you learned a new word. Today, you used it in a sentence. Tomorrow, you will use it in a conversation. Every day, your English becomes stronger. You feel more confident. You feel proud of yourself. English is not just a language, it is a key. A key to new opportunities, new people, and new experiences. You can read books, watch movies, travel, or make friends around the world. You can share your thoughts freely. You can connect with anyone. You have the power to practice every day. You have the power to speak without fear. You have the power to enjoy learning. You can make English a part of your life. Your growth has no limits. Remember, English is your superpower. It grows with every step you take. It shines when you practice. It opens doors when you speak. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Your English has no limits. You are ready to explore, communicate, and succeed. And thank you for watching. Remember, every word you speak, every sentence you try, and every small practice makes your English stronger. There are no limits to what you can achieve. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to listen till the end, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Your English has no limits, and neither do you. See you in the next episode.